There's a strong mix of legacy, performance, and modern aviation engineering in the BAS piston hangar right now. Four very different aircraft, all with unique stories and all right at the end of their disassembly process here, as the mechanics have saved every valuable and reusable part and component from each aircraft. Now, these parts and components will go out into the fleet. They'll support aviation all over the world. So let's take a look at what the mechanics are working on here at the BAS Parts Sales Piston Disassembly Hangar. And if you see something you need, I would recommend calling us quick because the good stuff will go fast. This is a Beechcraft 35 Bonanza. Now, when this aircraft came to market post-World War II, it showed what private aviation could look like. It's sleek, it's high performing, and this aircraft has been in production for a very long time, meaning there's lots of them in the air. This particular airplane comes to us after a hard landing ends its flying days, but Dave over here has done a great job of disassembling the airplane to the finest component so that we can help other Beech 35s stay in the air. We're going to get lots of great things from this aircraft. We'll recover the Continental IO 520BB engine, a McCauley prop, the dual Garmin G5s, a Garmin GTX 345 ADS-B transponder, a Garmin GNS 430, a PS Engineering PMA 8000B audio panel. It's got tip tanks, rosin visors, dual control yokes, and lots more. Components like these continue to keep Bonanzas flying all over the world. Now, next up, we have a proven workhorse in the twin engine platform. This is a Piper PA34-200 Seneca 2, and Bailey's got me doing glamour shots over here. Now, this airplane built its very versatile reputation on utility and reliability. It's been used in all sorts of missions, from training pilots on a twin engine aircraft to light commercial work to personal travel. It was produced for a very long time, meaning lots of them are in the air, and pilots really like to fly them. They were a great first step for a twin engine aircraft. But this one comes to us after it had a little hiccup. It's part of the disassembly lineup here this week, and we're going to get a long list of fantastic Seneca 2 parts and components. We'll be recovering the Continental TSIO 360 engines, the McCauley 3-blade props. It's got a Garmin GNS 530W, a Stratus ESG ADS-B transponder, a Garmin GMA 340 audio panel, a King KX155 Navcom. It's got LED wingtip lighting, and that will never last long in our store. It's got control yokes and lots more. These parts continue to support a large and active fleet of Senecas that are in operation today, so if you see something you need, call us. From a classic aluminum twin engine aircraft to modern composite speed that's also known as the Cessna 400. Now, this unusually wide open space in our hangar is because Dave and the mechanics finished the Cessna 400 very early, and they've already moved it out of the shop. The Cessna 400 came to market as a carbon fiber, turbocharged, sleek, fast airplane for pilots who wanted to go in a hurry, and it changed general aviation forever. It's also known as the Columbia 400 or the TTX, and it's got some other names with a whole bunch of characters that I can't remember. This was a very cool airplane. Dave and the mechanics have already recovered every part and component that we can from that airplane, and they're getting ready to go on the store. So if you need Cessna 400 parts, this one has a great list available right now. We recovered the Continental TSIO 550C engine, a Hartzell 3-blade prop. It's got a full Garmin G1000 avionics suite, including the GDU 1040 displays. It has a GDC 74A air data computer, a GDL69A weather system, speed brakes, and an oxygen system. It has the SEIS digital fuel senders and much, much more. These components are essential for keeping the Cessna 400 fleet in the air and performing at its level all over the country. If you need parts, call BAS Part Sales. And finally, we have one of the most modern and most easily recognizable aircraft in aviation. This is a Cirrus SR22 GTS G6 Platinum. Now, this aircraft became the best-selling general aviation aircraft of the 21st century because you can see its sleek design, its very integrated and very modern avionics systems, and its safety systems are just a class above almost everything else in general aviation. That made this aircraft widely popular with lots of general aviation pilots. Now, this one comes to us after it decided to take a runway excursion and it hit a tree. So its flying days are over, but it's going to keep SR22s in the air all over North America. We'll be recovering a Continental IO 550N engine, a Hartzell 3-blade prop, a Garmin G1000 Perspective avionics suite, including the GDU 1250A displays, a Garmin GMA 350C audio panel, a GMC 707 autopilot control, and a GFC 700 autopilot system. The onboard oxygen system is available, the TKS de-icing components are available, and this one has factory air conditioning and lots more. These SR22 components are some of the most sought after parts in general aviation, so if you see something that you need, call BAS quickly. Now, if you've watched our videos before, you know how this goes. We take very great care to make sure that we disassemble each airplane as far as we can go to recover as many valuable and reusable parts and components as possible. Dave and the mechanics are experts at this, and these 4 airplanes have gone through the process. They're just about done, so a lot of the things you saw in the video today will hit our e-commerce store very soon, where you can buy parts online very easily. Everything's priced, everything's published, the traceability is there, everything has pictures. You can order it at BASpartsales.com with no RFQ needed, and we can ship it almost anywhere in the world right from checkout, right from our website. If you saw something in today's video that you need, reach out to us very quickly, order it online, or call the sales team and we'll help you get back in the air. If you need airplane parts, call BAS Part Sales.